Successful yung kaibigan ko sa business eh. Gayahin ko ba? Hindi natin basta ina-assume na porke successful yung business na ito, it will be successful pagka ako humawak. It doesn't necessarily follow kasi kailangan natin maintindihan yung success factors, no? Success factor means the location, the service that you want to give the customers, the branding, the management itself, the kind of service that you will provide, the training of your employees. Those are success factors na hindi mo pwedeng takbuhan. In other words, it's not simply like, gayahin ko and I'll be successful. You have to do your own homework. In other words, you have to develop your own skill in running the business. Kasi ang hindi natin nakikita dyan is naging successful yung ibang tao kasi dumaan din sila doon sa paggapang, pag-develop ng skill nila, pag-handle ng failure, pag-analyze, pagbangon uli. Yung pakikipaglaban niya, hindi natin nakita yon. Ang nakikita lang natin yung naging successful siya. Tapos gagayahin natin. Usually it doesn't work. What works is our own discipline and our own improvement, our own growth, and our own management. Yun yung success factors.